Hello student, this is a new video of statistics, class 10 mathematics. In the previous video we explained how we find the median and mode. Today we have to take a common question and big question, 4 marks question, board examination. Which questions we have to find all things, mean, median, mode for the same data. So we take the question. Here class interval is given 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 46 to 50, 41 to 45, 46 to 50. Then frequency given 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 12, 4 and 2. But in this question if you see, the class interval is not in the exclusive form. So firstly we take the exclusive form, we find a new CI by 0.5 minus 0.5 plus, so 10.5 to 14.5, 15.5, 15.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 25.5, 25.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 35.5, 35.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 45.5, 40.55 to 50.5. Then if you find the mean, so mean is equal to sigma fx upon sigma f. Sigma f, we can total this 2, 3, 5, 6, 11, 18, 4, 22, 32, 34, 50. That is a 50. Then find the value of x. So you have no x. So firstly find x, then find fx. So 10.5 plus 15.5, that is 26 upon 2, 13, 30, 46, 23, 36, 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48 is the value of x. Then find fx, f into x, 26, 54, carry 1, 138, 19, 8 ja 96, carry 9, 36 plus 9, 45, 4 here 22, carry 1, 17, 96. Then add to all 6, 4, 10, 10, 8, 18, 18, 6, 24, 26, 32, 34, 40, carry 4, 13, 20, 25, 31, 40, 43, 48, 50, 0 carry 5, 6, 4, 10, 4, 14, 1, 15, 16. So you can put the value here. 0 cancel. 5 3 15, 5 2 ja 30. 32 is the value of mean. Then we find the value of median. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So firstly find all the values. We find the median class. What's the median class here? So first we find the value of CF, combinative frequency. 2 same, 2 3 5, 5 6 11, 7 18, 20 32, 32 34, 44, 48, 50. So n by 2 equal to 50 by 2, 25. 25 is like after this, means this is the median class. This is the median class. So here 30.5 to 35.5 is the median class. Value of L 30.5, n by 2 already find. CF is the preceding combinative frequency, that is 18. F frequency 14. H is the class size, 35 minus 35. So then we put all the values in this formula. So median is equal to 30.5 plus 25 minus CF 18 by 14 into H. 30.5 plus 7 into 5 by 14, 7 to the 14, 2.5 plus 30.5. So 33 is the median value of the given frequency distribution table. Then we find the value of mode. Then mode, you can find the value of mode by two methods. Firstly, you know the empirical formula. Empirical formula is also the formula that the relationship between the mean, mode and median. That is, the mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mean, that means if any two value given out of these three, mode, median or mean, out of these three center tendency and two values are given, so you can find the other. But here we already find the value, two values, mean 32 and median 33. So 3 into 33, 2 into 32, so 99 minus 64, 35 is the value of mode. Means if you find by using the empirical formula, it is 35. But we can find the mode by formula. Let me check. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Modal class interval having highest frequency. So in this question, this is the median class, also this is the modal class, because the highest frequency 14 is here. So same 30.5 to 35.5 is a modal class. L 30.5, F1, F0, F1, F2 H. F0 so F0 is the preceding frequency, it is 7. F1 is the frequency 14. F2 succeeding frequency 12. H is same, that is 5. Put all the values in the formula. So mode equal to L 30.5 F1 14 minus 7 upon 2 into 14 minus 7 minus 12 into 5. So 30.5 plus 7 into 5. This is 7 into 5 same as 28 minus 7 21. 21 minus 12 that is 9. So 30.5 plus 35 upon 9. 35 upon 9. So 9 4s are 36. 9 3s are 27. That is 8 remain. 9 3 27. 8 remain. 9 8 are 72. 9 8 are 72. So that is 33.38 approx. If you say sir 34.38. If you say sir why the difference that here is formula using find the mode 35, we have to use the formula this, so we have to get the mode 34.38. So don't be any types of hectic panic. No, median and mode it's possible to find. You can, some values are different because median and mode is not an exact formula here. They all are the basic of the statistics which you have to use in the next class if you're taking commerce. So you have to use to find the correct mean, mode, median. Okay. So either you give this answer or give you this answer. Both answers correct for the board examination, and both answer give the full marks. So pause the video, note down. This question have the missing frequency question, but here the median is given. The question is mark of 10, 0 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 10 dash 25 30 dash 10. You can take x and y, and this is given 100, and the value of median is given, that is 32. So find the value of x and y. This is a missing frequency question. We take the variables x and y. So the concept for this, median and mode both are lie between the median class or mode class. Means firstly if you say sir 10 plus x plus 25 plus 30 plus y plus 10 is equal to 100. So x plus y is equal to 100 minus 10 20 50 60 70 75. So x is equal to 25 minus y equation first. Then the formula of the median, L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So main things is the median class. But if the median is given, So the median and mode both lie on the median class or mode class. So 32 are lie between this. So median class is 30 to 40. So get the value of L. But CF, for CF you can find the CF. 10, 10 plus X, 35 plus X, 60, 5 plus X, 65 plus X plus Y, 75 plus X plus Y. This is the CF. So L is 30, n by 2, that is n by 2, 50, CF preceding 35 plus X upon F. F is 30, this is the, and H is the difference between this is 10, 0 cancel. Median is given 32. So 32 minus 30 sent to opposite side. 50 minus 35 minus X bracket open upon 3. Cross multiply 2 into 3 equal to 15 minus X. So X is equal to 15 minus 6. X is equal to 9. Here we don't leave as it is. X plus Y is equal to 25. So 9 plus Y is equal to 25. So Y is equal to 16. This is the value of X. This is the value of Y. I hope so there is no problem to finding the value of X and Y. So pause video, note down. Let's see this question. It's the same question, missing frequency question, but here is one frequency is missing and mode is given. Mode of the given data is 200. So simply modal class. Main things we taking the questions for the explaining this topic. If mode is given, so mode is always lie between the modal class. Monthly consumption and number of consumers are given for the electricity in unit. So mode is where lie here. So the modal class is 180 to 210 directly. So you can find L 180, F1, F0, F2. You can show here, that's no problem. And find H. 210 minus 180, 30. Any difference? Then what is the formula to find the mode? L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into. Then put all the values. Mode 200, L 180, F1 75 minus X upon 2 into 75 minus X minus 50 into 30. So 200 minus 180, 2250 minus 30 X upon 150 minus 50. This is 150. This is my 50. 100 minus X. This is 20. 100 minus X upon 1. No change. So 2000 minus 20X. 2250 minus 30. Then minus 20x plus 30x, 2250 minus 2000, 250, 10x, 0 cancel, x is equal to 25. Means the missing frequency, that is f0, x is equal to 25. So I hope so you understand the main concept, that the mode is always lie between the modal class and median is lie between the middle class. Okay, pause window down.